Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. A person is blowing into a thermometer, a U-shaped tube, and the person blows enough pressure to level out the oil with the water. So they are both at the same height of 30 inches. They give us the oil density at 49.3 pound mass per foot cubed. And they want us to find the gauge pressure. Okay. Step 1. Draw your free body diagram, your FBD. So we've got this person who is blowing through a tube into this thermometer. And the pressure is pushing the oil so that it will level out with the water at a height of 31 inches. Step 2. List all the knowns and find the unknown. So they give us the density of oil, 49.3 pound mass per foot cubed. They give us the height, which is 31 inches. We assume the density of water is 62.4 pound mass per foot cubed. This can be found in the pinned comment. There's reasons why I can't show you that table. Okay. So we want to find the gauge pressure. Step 3, find the formula for gauge pressure. So P constant is equal to P blow plus the pressure of the oil. So rho gh, density multiplied by gravity multiplied by h, is equal to the atmospheric pressure plus the pressure of water. So from there, we have the blow pressure minus the atmospheric pressure is equal to the density of water minus the density of oil multiplied by gravity multiplied by the height. So step 4, find the gauge pressure. So P gauge is equal to the density of water minus the density of oil multiplied by gravity multiplied by 31 inches. So we've got the change in density here. Let me just zoom in. Okay, we've got our gravity in imperial or English units or US customary. Then we have 31 inches divided by 12 feet to get it into the right units. And then we've got our conversion factors to get it into PSI. So we will get 0.2350 PSI, pounds per square inch. Disclaimers. The method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used it before, follow the instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent. So click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open the app, then click on video option, click on new, left click, then drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Then hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you find a mistake or questions, comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.